discuss my career path and why I chose medical coding over my colorful profession for physical therapy. Well, as Miss Gina said, I am a licensed physical therapist for more than a decade here, a licensed and a practicing physical therapist. So, specialize more of geriatric neurologic conditions, and I am a chief physical therapist in the Medical City Fairview, San Diego Physical Therapy, and roughly, I became a home care physical therapist for roughly 3.5 years. So, why change my profession? Well, meron po ba dito mga allied medical professionals? I think so, yes. And truth be told, the reality of our salary is really disappointing, right? The compensation,
Medyo
the
malakas din.
benefits, diba? It's really disappointing. And you can attest to that. So, if I may say, and if you will agree with me, over that, over a decade, sorry, of practicing, hindi ako umabot sa 16K. That's the reality of it. I don't know kung sino man sa inyo umabot ng 20,000, but lucky for you. But for me, with those experiences, I was not able to do that. And then the COVID-19 pandemic came. And that time, I was a full-time home care PT. So I'm averaging 3 to 4 patients a day. But when the government declared the ECQ or the lockdown, I was immobilized. And then came realization that I should be thinking of a much stable career and then a much stable compensation. And then there's this certain day when a friend of mine, a doctor of mine, a physiatrist, a rehab med, phoned me and then introduced me about medical coding. And then at first, sabi ko, Doc, ano ba ito medical code nito? I was hesitating, I was confused, perplexed that time. And then she said, sabi niya, Joseph, bago ka mag-ask, ito muna yung pwede ko ibigay sa'yo. Medical coding can give you a better salary, medical coding can give you a better compensation, and a possible remote work setup. And after that, I'm all ears. Sabi niya, sige, sabi ko, sige Doc, I'll give you a chance, let's talk it over. And then after that scenario, furthermore, in-endorse niya ako sa mga colleagues ko rin na physical therapist na nag-change from PT practice to medical coding. And that time, mas specific na yung ibinigay nila sa akin details about the compensation, about the salary, and the work setup. And that's true because sila na yung nandoon sa floor, sa production. Nandoon na sila sa real scenario of medical coding. And after I prayed about it, and after kong kinausap ang commander-in-chief ko, syempre kapag may asawa ka na, kailangan dalawa kayo nagde-decide. I decided na to pursue medical coding. However, there's one major problem. Though I'm coming from a medical background, as a physical therapist, just like what Doc Carlos said, you have to learn the language of medical coding. Right? So that's my problem. Where will I learn medical coding? Saan ako maghahanap ng school for medical coding? And then I reached out again sa mga colleagues ko, and then the name HIMTI came to spotlight. So sinabi nila sa akin, gato ganyan, quote and quote, dahil daw Miss Gina meron daw silang referral fee, sabi ganun. But sinabi nila sa akin that we with HIMTI, ganito, ganyan. So, I tried contacting them. And my first impression with HIMTI, they're very responsive. I remember pagka-message ko pa lang kay Miss Dana, few seconds lang nag-respond na kagad siya. And every detail, every question was answered in every detail possible. And because of that, sabi ko na lang, I'll go for it. I'll go for it. Now, this begs the question, gaano ba kagaling ang HIMTI? Gaano ba sila kagaling mag-produce ng mga efficient medical coders? I joined Optum 2022. Okay, so 2 years pa lang ako sa Optum for medical coding as an individual contributor. And thank God, praise God, I was selected as one of their management trainee. So nag-start pa lang ako with the management team. But just for 2 years. So I'm really blessed to have that. Okay, this begs the question, paano ba ang selection ng Optum for a management team para mapasama ka sa management team? May tinatawag kaming CMA o the Coding Mastery Assessment, which in you have to code 10 charts and you have to have an accurate and valid pickup of the diagnosis sa mga charts. We also have the internal audits wherein yung quality team namin will randomly pick charts na kinode mo and kinakailangan lahat ng mga codes na nandoon, you were able to pick and to code it accurately. We also have the product knowledge test or PKT wherein we are going to answer everything about a certain HCC, sinasabi sa amin kasi sa risk adjustment. Anything you have to know about the diagnosis, ganyan. And lastly, we are evaluated by the work unit. Anong work unit? Ilang charts ang kaya mong i-code for a certain day. So that's a lot of medical coding knowledge that one must have. And HIMTI provided me a strong foundation of that language. And in 2 years' time, actually less than 2 years lang po yun, I was promoted to management rates because of HIMTI's, HIMTI is very good at foundation sa language. Yan ang kinakailangan natin eh. Kasi tulad sabi ni Doc Carlos, you have to learn the language. Diba? And yung sinasabi niyang 200 hours, yes. Kasi with Optum, kapag hindi ka galing sa HIMTI, you will be required 2 years para matanggal yung apprentice mo. But with Optum, with HIMTI, pag natapos nyo sila, you only take a year and wala ni apprentice. So bakit ba may apprentice? Kasi ibig sabihin kaka-graduate pa lang. And if you have the dash A or yung apprentice, hindi ka pa masyadong mapopromote o mabibigyan ng mas mataas na posisyon. But with HIMTI, you will only take a year. So ganun po yun. Now, taking the leap. Tulad na sinasabi, how much is the salary? Kasi marami sinasabi, 6 digits, 6 digits. Yes, it's possible. But for a starter, kasi maraming nabubudol tayo sa social media, wala pang experience, they're expecting 6 digits. That's not true. That's not true po. However, yung pagtaas, hindi katulad sa ating mga allied medical professional na nagkakanda kuba-kuba na tayo, nasabak tayo sa COVID-19 pandemic, hindi pa tayo abot ng 20,000. But with medical coding, you will have a definite, well compensated ka, you will have health cards, diba? Health card with 3 dependents, you will have retirements, okay? You will have with what we call QVC, quarterly variable compensation, and all because it's medical coding. So if you're like me, na nag-iisip or thinking of a career change for a much better compensation, salary, and for, of course, future, take medical coding. I can attest you to that. Take medical coding. And for all your medical coding needs, for me, HIMTI is the only authority. Thank you.